There's a lot of, whether it's meter readers or folks in the power plant, mailroom, that see our linemen out there and strive to be a lineman. And we thought, what better way to help them get ahead and fulfill their dreams by, I guess, giving them some opportunity to practice, to get familiar with pole climbing and the kind of activities that's included in the job sample test.
I think it's a great thing. It allows people who are in the company already, within the union, that if they feel like they want to do this is for them, they can do it. They can go out and see what it's like. And then if it's not for them, no hard feelings. You can go back to doing what you were doing before.
We got to work with some journeymen and some linemen out there. They gave us good pointers and kind of prepped us for the job sample test.
We learned to climb. We went in the bucket truck. We also assembled the cross arm. So a lot of good information and skills that we wouldn't even have known, without going to that class.
The biggest thing about the Code of Excellence is the collaboration between the company and the union. Really, it's all about collaboration. Without the help of the company, we wouldn't be able to do this because of the facilities, they allowing us to use the material, the tools, and all of that. Also, for the union, the volunteers that we get, the linemen out there that know the work, and so they volunteered their time on a Saturday to go out and help these new potential candidates.
I think it's a great thing. If people participate to do it, then I think we should keep on doing it.